Hi buddy. Let's get you far from regret. People's faces start to change shape as they get older. Skin starts to sag, and the muscles around the jaw start to contract as neck fat accumulates. Your jawline can become less defined as a result of this. Even though aging and genetic changes to the face are completely normal, there are some exercises you can perform to help define your jawline. Sharper cheekbones and a more defined jawline can result from regular neck, chin, and jaw exercises, as well as other facial muscles. According to one study, 20 weeks of consistent facial training resulted in larger cheeks and a more youthful appearance. These exercises can do more than just make your face look younger or more defined. They can also help stop neck, head, and jaw problems. Exercises for the jawline have been demonstrated in studies to potentially lessen the impact of temporomandibular disorders, or persistent pain in the jaw muscles, bones, and nerves. Workouts to sharpen the jawline. In a gym setting, jaw and neck muscles are rarely worked out. This may result in sagging skin, a less defined jawline, or even neck aches over time. These jawline workouts can help define the jawline and reduce headaches, neck pain, and jaw pain. Before starting the video, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Neck crank. Similar to an abdominal crunch or curl, neck crunches works seldom used neck muscles, so proceed slowly and stop if you have any discomfort. Place your tongue against the roof of your mouth while you lay on your back in the first step. Step 2. Lift your head 2 to 3 inches off the ground by bringing your chin to your chest. Step 3. Repeat step 3 while slowly bringing your head back down. Vowel drills. This workout stimulates the muscles around your lips by sounding out vowels and opening your mouth wide. First, make an O sound by opening your mouth. Make the vowel louder to tense your muscles. Step 2. After that, open your mouth to make a loud E sound. 3. Repetition of the O and E motions. Back up collarbone. The collarbone exercise works the jaw-supporting muscles located under your chin. First, take a seat on the ground or in a chair. Step 2. With your chest as still as you can and your ears over your shoulders, tilt your head back a few inches until you feel the muscles on the side of your neck tighten. As you move, maintain a parallel chin to the floor. Step 3. Carry out the same action again, but this time move your head forward. Chin up. The bottom half of your face, including your jaw, is lifted by the chin-up exercise. Step 1. Snap your lips shut and gradually move your jaw forward. Step 2. Push up with your low lip until you feel your chin's and jawline's muscles stretch. Step 3. Hold this posture for approximately 10 seconds before performing the exercise again. Tightrope walker. The jawline is toned by the tongue twisters focus on muscles under the chin. Step 1. Position your tongue towards the back of your teeth, right behind the roof of your mouth. Step 2. To create tension, forcefully press your tongue against the roof of your mouth. Step 3. To engage your muscles, hum and generate a vibrating noise. Considerations for safety. Take things slowly when performing all of these workouts, though. The muscles in the jaw and neck are frequently underdeveloped. As a result, performing too many repetitions or moving too quickly can strain your neck. You should immediately stop these workouts if you experience any pain. If the pain persists, check your form and make sure your neck is correctly positioned. If not, visit a doctor. In order to achieve noticeable effects, experts advise exercising for roughly 30 minutes every day, at least 6 days a week. It's best to start small and increase your time gradually. These muscles must be built over time, and their effects take time to manifest. If you perform these exercises too vigorously, you risk injuring the jaw joints, cushioning cartilage, and causing pain and discomfort. Consult a medical professional or a neuromuscular dentist to determine whether these exercises are appropriate for you if you already have jaw pain. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, and press the bell icon to get far from regret.